Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this router below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the GL.iNet GL-MT6000 Flint 2, a Wi-Fi 6 gaming router with dual 2.5G ports, and this has sold over 2,000 units in just the past month, becoming a genuine favorite for anyone serious about network performance. Let's start with raw speed. This runs 8-stream Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering combined speeds up to 6 gigabits per second, with up to 1,148 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 4,804 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. In practical terms, that means smoother 4K streaming, more stable gaming, and clearer video calls, even with a lot of devices connected at once. For gamers specifically, this is genuinely built to perform under pressure. The 8-stream setup keeps your connection stable and fast during intense multiplayer sessions, so lag and dropped connections during competitive matches become far less of a concern. If you use a VPN, this router handles that seriously well too. It supports WireGuard VPN speeds up to 900 megabits per second and OpenVPN speeds up to 880 megabits per second, giving you real control over your bandwidth whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, though actual speeds will vary depending on your provider and VPN server location. It also supports AdGuard Home, letting you set up DNS-level ad and tracker blocking through a simple web interface, so you get a cleaner, less cluttered browsing experience across every connected device. Storage and connectivity are genuinely robust here too, with DDR4 and eMMC memory supporting over 100 connected devices, which makes this a strong pick for DIY users who want to install additional plugins or run a more advanced home network setup. This router comes with OpenWrt pre-installed, giving advanced users deep customization control right out of the box, and setup itself is straightforward, either by following the initial setup video tutorial or connecting directly via Ethernet cable to access the web admin panel. One quick note, it's worth updating the firmware immediately after your initial setup, since that significantly improves performance and overall stability. Overall, if you want a genuinely powerful, customizable router that handles gaming, streaming, and heavy device loads without breaking a sweat, the GL.iNet Flint 2 is a really strong pick. I'll leave the link to this GL.iNet Flint 2 in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.